Hi there, Thin Man Sewing, talking to you today about how to use the Singer Sewware cartridge alphabet and numbers with your Singer 6268. Of course, what we do, the machine's off. We have the cartridge here with the writing on it towards the needle. You line up the two little pins here with the holes there and give it just a sort of a solid push. You have to wiggle a little bit, but it goes right in. And then what we do is we have our little overlay to show us what the buttons will correspond to, and we turn it on. And then to go ahead, and I'm going to program, say, Singer 6268. Now the white letters are on right now. So what I do, here's the S, and I push enter. And then the I, then enter, N, then enter, G, then enter, E, then enter, R, then enter. And now the little arrow over here on the right, I call that the shift. I hit that on, and that tells me now the red ones are the ones, like the shift key on your typewriter. That's what will be on. So a little space, I use that little minus sign for a space, then enter. And then since I'm still on the red, I can enter the 6268. So 6, enter, 2, enter, 6, enter, of course 8, enter. And then to make sure that it's all right, the memory recall button here, I push that. Okay, S, I, N, G, E, R. And you see it went here, so you know you're on the shift key, hyphen 6, 2, 6, 8. Now let's just say for giggles, I made a mistake and like, oh, that 8, that really supposed to be a 7. And on this one, you can't erase, if you erase a number or letter, you have to put something in its place. So, say I did want that to be a 7. What I do is I just push clear once, and then I push 7, and then I push enter, and then I can go back through by pushing memory recall. I'll go through here really fast. And here we go, there's 6, 2, 6, see now it's 7. But oops, I really don't want that, so let's push clear, and I'll push the 8, and I'll push the enter, and I'll go through it again just to make sure it's all right. There's 6, 2, 6, 8. And then when you want to sew, you keep pushing the memory recall so you're back at the beginning, so I'm back at S. Then, this is the one-time button, push that, and it'll type your phrase once. Otherwise, it will just keep going and going and type it many times. And don't worry, if you let off the foot pedal, it will start right where it left off at if your foot gets tired or you have to answer the phone or something. And it does move the needle around a little bit, so make sure you just sort of hold the fabric from scooting back and forth side to side. But anyway, let's go ahead and go. And as you can see, the lights will change with the letters over here. And when it gets done to the end, it'll automatically stop. Lift it up. And there we go, Singer 6268. And there is one way you can lengthen the letters. For example, say I think those look too close together. What I do is, let's go to the beginning again, memory recall, and I'll turn on the length. I'll just turn the length way up on it. And I'll just do a little bit here so you can see the difference. And see, I can let off and hit it again and just remember where it was at. stretched out a little bit. Finger 6268. And so just to recap, all you have to do to program anything, and if you push clear a couple times it'll erase everything. All you have to do is push the letter you want and enter. The letter you want and enter. And then push memory recall till you're back to the beginning before you start to sew. And be sure to push the once button, otherwise it will just keep sewing and sewing over and over again. And hopefully this little video helps you out. Thanks for watching.